difficult for customers to identify, and that is the reason this entire process in getting a GI tag has gone into.
Yeah.
And even before GI tag, talk started like 3-4 years back. I remember we as processors who are processing Goa origin cashew nuts were working on a system where can we do something like a Krishi card to the farmer who's supplying us on a consistent basis,
these are all the points which are, I think, being included in the
yes, and then
guidelines.
the GI guideline policy came and the discussion started happening on cashew. So we were like, we will go with this. So hopefully in 2-3 months time you will have proper GI guidelines, and I think the department has done an incredible job because they have gone to the grassroots where from the grower to the, as I said, supply chain has been taken care of. But yeah, broadly speaking, Goan cashew nuts will always be, a little round in shape. Like they'll be heavier when you take it in your hand. It will not be flat. It will not be like flat sticks. Sometimes you have, the meteor, the dominant portion of cashew will be meteor. You will see like,
Even color, I think.
color will depend on the amount of ovening that has happened, the amount of
And all that.
sun drying that has happened. And in taste, it will have that sweet taste. It will have that aftertaste because we have good sugar content in our cashew. So, yeah, broadly these are the points. But I think we are very close to formulating a policy where the customers are well taken care of when they go to buy Goa cashew.
Yeah, actually, madam, it's practically very difficult to. In the retail shops, it's difficult, but one who is regularly purchasing Goan cashew can very well make out this is original Goan cashew or not. Anyway, please.
So about 2 to 3 years back, we had brought agency from France on organic certification. What they said is the gestation period is about 3 years because they have to check the residue of different material, maybe the fertilizer. But because the Goan cultivation, cashew cultivation is already organic, they will be able to give you the certificate from second year onwards, and then they will continue for next 2 years to give you the proper certificate. And then initially they said that they will charge about 5 lakh rupees, and then if it is just about 2 years, then they are able to negotiate. So now agencies are there, and then they have got different standard for different countries. Stringent is definitely USA. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So much.